If I were a boy, I think I could understand how it feels to love a girl. I'd swear I'd be a better man. I'd listen to her. Oops! Tama na muna, GREATfuls, dahil nandyan na pala kayo. It's time to learn another English lesson here at Charlene's TV. And welcome back! In this video, we are going to talk and learn about if I were, katulad ng nasa kanta ni Rihanna, at saka if I was. They look identical, right? But they have different meaning. Let's start! Okay, grateful. First one we have if I were. This phrase is used to show or to express hypothetical situations or situations that are unreal. Ginagamit ito para magpahayag ng mga bagay na hindi totoo but we wish to be true. Gusto natin sanang maging totoo. So, in technical term in English, we use this in subjunctive mood. Yun nga, uulitin ko lang, itong subjunctive mood ay ginagamit para magpahayag ng mga bagay na hindi totoo. Katulad, halimbawa, nung linya dun sa kanta ni Rihanna na, if I were a boy. If I were a boy, kunwari ako nagsabi niyan, kung lalaki ako, so we can say that this is a hypothetical situation. Ito ay base lang sa pag-iisip. It is impossible to happen in real life because there's no any chance that I will be a boy because I'm a girl. Katulad rin ng mga samples na to, GREATfuls. If I were an animal, I'd like to be a bird. If I were a billionaire, I'd like to travel the whole world multiple times. The question is, am I an animal? Am I a billionaire? Animal ba ako? Hayop ba ako? Billionaire ba ako? Hindi. So these are just hypothetical situations that is impossible to happen in real life. I am not an animal, right? I am a human being. So I use the phrase if I were. Okay, dun po natin ginagamit yung if I were. Next examples, halimbawa, sabi ni Aldrin, if I were more confident, I'd ask Maricar out. Okay, so it means that Aldrin is not confident because he is just wishing that he'd like to be confident. Hindi siya confident, wala siyang tiwala sa sarili niya. Kaya ang sabi niya sa kanyang sentence, if I were more confident, I'd ask Maricar out. Okay, next example, if I were richer, I would buy that diamond ring. Okay? Kung mas mayaman lang sana ako, bibilin ko yung diamond ring na yan. So, ito ay hypothetical thinking lang, wishful thinking. Nasa wish lang natin yon. Si Aldrin, hindi siya confident, kaya sinabi niya, if I were, and ako, hindi ako mas mayaman, kaya ang ginamit ko ay if I were, hypothetical situation. If I were more beautiful, he would love me. Okay, kung mas maganda lang sana ako, mamahalin niya ako. So, it's more on wishful thinking. It's more on wishes. Hopeful. Okay? Hypothetical situation. So, that's when and where we use the phrase if I were. Alright? Okay, ikaw, GREATful, anong if I were ng buhay mo? Yung something na gusto mong mangyari sana. Diba? So, if I were, comment mo lang sa baba kung ano yung if I were. Now, let's proceed to the next one. We have if I was. The phrase if I was, it is used to show or to describe something that the speaker has done. So we use it to talk about the past. Ginagamit natin ito para pag-usapan yung bagay na nagawa nung nagsasalita. If I was. Okay, let's take a look at these examples. I could have given you a ride if I was not caught in a traffic jam. So, maihahatid sana kita kung hindi lang ako naipit sa matinding traffic. Okay? So, yun yung nagawa. Next example, balikan natin yung situation ni Maricar at ni Aldrin. Maricar would not go home if I was there on time. So it means, nag-date pala sila siguro ni Maricar, pero late siya kaya umuwi na lang si Maricar if I was there on time, okay? So hindi nagawa ito ni Aldrin, it's something that he missed in the past. Like I said, we will use if I was if we talk about the things that the speaker has done in the past. And gratefuls, we can also use if I was to show uncertainty about the things that we're not sure if we did. Hindi tayo sigurado kung nagawa natin. So for example, you're in an outing, di ba? Nag-outing kayo ng mga kaibigan mo, and then so tabi-tabi yung mga tulugan ninyo, di ba? So kinabukasan, pag-gising mo, sabi mo is, guys, I'm sorry if I was noisy last night. So it means that you're not sure if you're noisy, but you apologized. Okay? So, hindi ko sigurado kung maingay ka ba talaga, baka hindi ka sure kung humili ka ba talaga kagabi, pero nanghingi ka pa rin ng patawad. So, I'm sorry if I was noisy last night. Hindi ka sure kung maingay ka talaga, pero nag-sorry ka pa rin. Next example, to show uncertainty, right? So, you met a certain person and then you told her, I'm sorry if I was rude to you the first time we met. Diba? If I was. Sa Tagalog, pasensya ka na kung naging masungit ako sa'yo nung unang beses na nagkakilala tayo. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka sigurado kung nasungitan mo ba talaga siya o baka sa tingin niya is masungit ka na pero sa tingin mo ay hindi pa pero nag-sorry ka pa rin anyway. So, I'm sorry if I was rude to you the first time we met. O sige nga, grateful, tignan natin kung nakikinig ng maigi Paano natin i-Englishin ito? Kung ako sa iyo, iiwanan ko na siya. Letter A, if I were you, I will leave him. Letter B, if I was you, I will leave him. Okay, correct answer? Letter A, if I were you. Bakit? Kasi kung ako sa'yo, so there's no any chance that I will be you. Walang kahit na anong chance na ako ay magiging ikaw. Imposible yan. So this is just a wishful thinking. It is a hypothetical situation. So letter A, if I were ang dapat natin gamitin. Dahil ang if I was ay ginagamit natin kapag pinag-uusapan natin yung mga bagay na nagamit natin or nagawa natin sa past. Okay, tingnan natin, gratefuls. Kung merong natutuhan, we will have a quiz. It's 1 to 5. You will have 7 seconds to answer each item. Okay? Sasabihin mo lang kung ito ay correct or incorrect. Alright? Okay, number 1. I would be more careful with a microscope if I were you. The correct answer is correct. Tama yan. Kasi hindi ako magiging yung isang tao. So, this is just a wishful thinking. So, this is correct. Number 2, I'm sorry if I was mean. Number 2 is correct din. Okay? Number 3, if you were in my position, what will you do? If you were in my position, what will you do? Okay, this one is incorrect. Alam ma'am, bakit po itama naman po na if I were, di ba? Kasi wishful thinking. Tama naman po. Ang kaso nga lang kasi, itong will, kapag ganito na wishful situation o hindi makatotohanan, ang tamang gamitin natin ay would. Ayan. So, hindi ko to nilagay dun sa video, gratefuls. Pero it's another thing that you should learn from this. Di ba? If you were in my position, what would you do? Yan yung tama nating gawin. Alright? Ayan, gratefuls, thank you very much for learning with me today here at Charlene's TV. And to end this video, I have a statement for you. If I were the president of the Philippines, I would require all of the Filipinos to subscribe at Charlene's TV because you will learn English here. Okay? So, sentence yan na ginamit ko yung if I were. So, this is just a wishful thinking, but I am not the president, so I cannot require you to subscribe. So, maglalambing na lang ako, grateful. Baka hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, i-click mo na yung red button dyan, and click mo na din yung notification bell para kapag may live ako, ayun, kapag meron akong bagong upload, ay mananotify ka agad. Okay? And see you sa next video. You may choose between these and sa iba pang videos ng Charlene's TV. Bye-bye!